Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Make your mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Shamrock sugar cookies. The ingredients that you're going to need today are 1 box of sugar cookie mix. We're going to need 1 egg, green food coloring, and also we're going to need 1 stick of unsalted butter, and it's going to need to be softened at room temperature. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is get a large bowl, and we're going to pour our sugar cookie mix into it. Next, you're going to add your egg, and then our softened butter. And you can mix it with a spoon or spatula. You're going to mix until it's well combined and starts to form your dough. Okay guys, once your sugar cookie dough is formed, I took a little bit out and set it aside in another bowl. So for this one right here, all I'm going to do is add a couple drops of green food coloring, and I'm going to go ahead and mix it through. Okay guys, remember you can use as much green food coloring as you would like to get the shade of green that you want. Since I'm going to be rolling out my cookie dough, we're going to go ahead and sit it in the refrigerator to chill for 1 hour. Then we're going to roll it out and cut it with our cookie cutters. Okay guys, it's been 1 hour, and all I did was get a rolling pin and I started to roll out my cookie dough. Now all I'm going to do is press down with my cookie cutter and cut out as many shamrocks as I can. And I'm going to go ahead and proceed to do the same thing to the green cookie dough. Okay guys, as you can see, I have my shamrocks cut out. So all we're going to do is heat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, our cookies are done and they're out the oven. I'm just going to let them cool off now. Give it about 5 minutes. Okay guys, here we have it, our Shamrock sugar cookies for St. Patrick's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please come back. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.